Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into XTB online investment app on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the XTB app, unlock your iPhone and tap on the XTB online investment or X station app icon. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. Enter your XTB login ID or email address in the first field. Step 3. Enter your password. Next step in your XTB account password. Make sure you are entering carefully and that no one can see your screen. Step 4. Use Face ID if enabled. If Face ID is enabled, the app may ask to confirm your identity. Simply look at your phone to complete the login securely. Step 5. Successfully log in. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main trading dashboard where you can view markets, your portfolio, open positions and account balance. Step 6. Security tip. For your security, never share your login details or password. If you can't log in, tap forgot password or contact XTB customer support directly through the app. And that's how you can log in into XTB online investment app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.